everyone. So wanting to make a change of scenery, I thought I'd walk and talk because it's so important to get those steps in every day. Not just one bout of exercise, but throughout the day, breaking up the sitting with movement. So today I'm so excited to talk about, I'm taking a biology course and I'm looking for ways to have efficient learning. So I don't have to spend tons of time, but I want to learn the material. So of course, what's in everyone's consciousness these days? It's ChatGPT. So I thought, there must be a way to use ChatGPT for better learning. So here's what I tried, and it totally worked. So I decided, let me go to lecture and take really short notes. So here's an example of what I took. Basically the topic and then a few points. Everyone always starts with defining what is it, so that I put definition, and then just very little information about the different points about that topic that were covered in the lecture. This was great because it allowed me to pay attention more in the lecture because I didn't have to type out and struggle to get all the information in. And so then I gave this to ChatGPT with a little prompt. Basically said, hey, flesh this out, do it at second year biology level, and keep it short and keep my bullet points, because that's kind of the way that I'm thinking of the knowledge. And boy, did it ever do a good job. Look at that. It absolutely did what I asked. And now I have fully fleshed out beautiful notes to take into my learning process. And that's the material that will be learned and studied for all the quizzes, tests, and exams. I wanted to add another example. So here's another example with the same prompt, but this time I have several sections of notes, again, with very limited point form of what to cover. And here's what ChatGPT comes up with. It's amazing. It just does all of them. It fleshes them right out. It's not perfect. For instance, I asked for 3 ways of achieving the dosage compensation there at the bottom, and it gave 3 ways, but the 3 ways that we showed in the class were different. The third one was different. So there is some going back and fixing, but again, it's really, really incredible. I will do other videos on learning because I have a follow-up process that once I have that body of knowledge that needs to be learned, from there it goes into the pipeline, so to speak, and I'm absolutely going to share that. I consider it like the best and most efficient way of learning, and you end up getting at least 85%, if not 90%, and 95% of the knowledge when it's time to spit it back up at test time. So God, I hope that really helps people out, be more efficient learning, especially if you're curious and you want to learn a lot of things and you like to retain them, or you're going through school and you have a lot of things to just get into your brain. It is a game changer to tidy up those notes, to change how you take notes. All right, enjoy and like and subscribe if you like. Thanks.